Hello and welcome to Taik. I'm really proud to announce you the top three winners of this quiz season. So it was really an overwhelming responses from you guys, and totally there was 55 participants in this quiz, and it was really helpful to see your answers during these quiz sessions. You are indirectly helping also to the community by giving your answers. So let's see the list of winners. Here the screen what you're seeing now is the list of participants, and I'm really thankful for them for their participations. Now let's have a look at the winners. So here's the top three winners. Okay, the first name is Mr. Selva Kumaran, who has given 10 right answers out of 20, and he is now in the third place. Congratulations, Selva Kumaran. And the second place of this one is Sai Raghavendra Vaneru. He has given 12 right answers out of 20, and he is now in the second place. And the first one is Nagarjuna Dodi Patla, who has given 14 right answers out of 20. So congratulations for these three winners. And I will just announce the prize money for this. So here's the one. For the winner 3 is 750 INR, which is 10 US dollar, and for winner 2 is 1150 INR, is 15 US dollar, and for first winner it's 1620 US dollar. These three peoples, which I am showing it right now, they can send me a personal email message to my email ID so that I can transfer the money to them. So once again, thank you everyone for participating in this quiz. See you in the next video and see you in the next season of the quiz.